Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to solve a hard problem of LeetCode. Problem number 99, that is to recover a binary search tree. So the problem is we have a binary search tree and the two nodes of it are swapped by mistake and we have to recover the binary search tree. For an example here 132, so it is actually, if you see, it's a wrong binary search tree, right? Because 3 is greater than 1. So the input will be something like that: 1, that, then 3 left node, then right node is null, so null, then 3 left node is null, so null, then 3 right is 2, so 2. So what we have to do, actually we have to output this binary search tree because this is the correct one. So here 1 and 3 are swapped by mistake, so we have to correct it and output in this fashion. And we have to solve this problem in order of n constant space actually. So how we are going to solve this problem? So we will use the property of BST. So what is the property of BST? Like if the like the element, if you see, should be in a, if we do in order traversal of the BST, it will give a increasing order elements, right? So here if we do in order traversing, in order means left subtree, then root, then right. So here what will we get? So 3, then 2, then 1, which is wrong, but in output should be like, if you see, 1 2 3. So correct output is like increasing order, in order, if we traverse in order. So basically we have to do the in order traversing and we have to find where the two elements are not in the order of increasing order. So as we do in order in the input, we are getting 3 2 1. So we know that this is not the correct increasing order. So we have to make it correct increasing order. So basically how to make it? Now there will be two scenarios in order traversal. Like one will be the case that the two elements which are out of order are just adjacent to each other, and one scenario will be like the two nodes which are not in order are not adjacent. Like for example here we have seen the in order traversal is 3 to 1. So which are elements in the wrong position? 3 and 1, because it should be 1 to 3. So if you can see, 3 and 1 are not adjacent. So this is the second case we are talking about. And first case might be happen that the element can be adjacent. Okay. So yeah. So if you give check the input of example second, the in order, if we do in the input tree, it will become 1 3, then 2 4, correct? And it is not a sorted, and the sorted should be 1 2 3 4, means 2 and 3 are not in correct position, so they are the adjacent element which are not in the current position. So these two cases are there to handle. So how can we do that? So basically we have to maintain three pointers, that the first element which are not in position, and just the next element of the first and the last one, so that if first and last exist we have to swap them, if last doesn't exist we have to swap the first and next of the first. So as we will start coding in C++. Yeah. Okay. So This is the already predefined method signature. So first we will check the binary condition. So boundary condition is like if there is no root or root is null, we have to just return it. We don't have to do anything. Now as we need some pointer variable to get the first, next of first, last, all these things. So we will do these things. So we will declare a first and initialize at null. Then we will also take mid one. Mid one basically will next of first one. Then there will be last, and we will also take one previous pointer to help in the iteration. So these three we are taking, and we can write a different method to get this value. So suppose we have some util method. So in util method we will pass all the things like root we will pass, then we'll pass the address of all pointer like first, middle one, then the last one, then the previous one. So suppose this utility method actually gives the all the correct pointer like first, mid or last. So we have two cases, then we can check which one. So if the first case that we are taking, if first and last exist, that means the condition in which the unordered elements are not subsequent, like in the example first, 1 and 3 are in the wrong position, and in order traversal they are not in the subsequent thing. So if this is the case, sorry, in C++, and we have to swap this thing. Okay, so what we can do, we can swap the value. So first value and the last value. Else if like they are subsequent, like in the case of example 2, like the in order is 1 3 2 4, and 2 3 are not in the correct position, and both are consecutive node in the in order. So for this, like first and mid, if it exists, then we have to swap the first value and the middle value. Then we are done with the our solution. Now we have to write this method, the util method. So yeah, so we will write util method. We will take all the things like here we are taking the address, so that's why star star. Yeah, so we have all these things. Right now we have to get this element. So we can again check the boundary condition. If there is no root, we can directly return. So then if root exists, so we have to do in order traversal. So and we will do recursively. So we will call the utility method with, as in order, first left, then all the parameter, then we have to check the condition. whether the value are correct or not. So we have to check whether previous element is greater than the current element. Current means the root element or not. So suppose if previous element exists, because initially it will be null, so first we have to check if it exists, and then we have to check whether the previous value is greater than root value. That means we get the element that is out of order. So what we have to do, if we have to check whether this first node we found or not. So if we have not found the first node, that means it is the first node. So what we have to do, we have to assign the first node as previous node, and the mid will be the next element of the first, that means it's a root. But if it is already assigned, that means that will be the last element. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to set this thing previous as a root, so that in the next iteration the in order traversal previous will be just before the root element. So here we will set the previous as root. Then as it is a in order, so we have to do the traverse the right subtree. And we just have to pass the all the parameter. Okay, okay, I think we are good enough. Let's try. So output is per as per expected, so we should go to submit the code. Yeah, so it is done. So yeah, we will summarize the code what we have done. So basically the problem was to uh, in a BST two nodes are swapped by mistake, we have to recover the tree. So what we are doing, we are actually trying to find the out of order elements in the in order. So basically two elements will be not in the increasing order, so we have to find that. So and there is a two case, like if the element, the two elements are consecutive or subsequent, and second case is like they are not subsequent. So first case, if you see, we will try to find first is the first element which is out of order. Mid is basically the next element of the after the first, and last is the second element which is out of order, and previous we are taking as for iteration. So if first and last exist, that means they are not, the two nodes which are out of order are not subsequent. Then we have to swap those elements. If like there is the two elements that are out of order are subsequent next to each other, then we have to swap the first and the mid value. And how to find it, we have to do in order traversal, and just we have to check whether the previous value is greater than root value. Like here, if you can see, if we do in order traversal for this 3 2 1, that means if root is 2 and the previous is 3, so 3 is greater than 2, that means the first is 3, correct, and mid is will become 2, and then previous we will update it and then go to the right subtree and so on to find all these first, mid and last. So for example 1, we have all these things. First we have like and then mid we have, and the last we have, like first will be 3, mid will be 2, last will be 1. But in the second case, we don't have any last, we will only have first, because in order traversal is 1 3 2 4, so we have first as 3 and mid as 2, and there will be no last. So these are the two cases. So and depending on the two cases we will swap the element. Yeah, I think you have enjoyed the video. Yeah, thank you.